Hello. After watching this video, you will find out what the word assembly means. Meeting of people of an organized group of a company or an association etc. in order to take decisions. A set of pieces that work together in unison as a mechanism or device. A group of machine parts that fit together to form a self-contained unit. A group of persons gathered together for a common purpose. The social act of assembling, they demanded the right of assembly. The act of constructing something. A public place to meet for open discussion. A public facility to meet for open discussion. The social act of assembling. A unit consisting of components that have been fitted together. A group of persons who are gathered together for a common purpose.